with me. This week we're talking about if I had $1,000,000. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, so if I had $1,000,000, the first thing I would do would be probably buying my family a new house because, I mean, the place we're living right now is nice, but we could probably use a nicer place, and to be able to actually pay the whole thing in full and not have to worry about, like bills and if we're going to make it and everything. So that would be nice. Second thing I would do was make sure everybody had their own individual car. Didn't have to be a Jaguar or whatever, but me, my stepdad, and my mom should all have them because we all work in different places and we only have one car that only my stepdad can drive. After that, I'd probably put a decent amount in the bank to make sure that we were financially stable all the time, and donate some to charities, and for sure, because I love, donating to charities and, working at charities and things like that. And I'd probably save a little out for a little bit of a shopping spree, because how can you not? So, might buy myself a llama, too. I love llamas. But anyways, that's what I would do. I will see you guys next week.